Introduction to peacocks. Peacocks are considered the most prominent birds of the Phasianidae family, the same family as pheasants and partridges, possessing dazzling beauty and large size. Originating from South Asia, particularly India and Sri Lanka, peacocks naturally inhabit tropical forests and wild environments. They have existed in nature for thousands of years, possessing unique habits and timeless beauty. Peacocks are a symbol of nobility. In many Asian countries, our Shutterstock, besides their physical beauty, peacocks are also a symbol of nobility and power in many Asian cultures. In India and China, peacocks were often kept in palaces and gardens of kings and nobles, symbolizing status and prosperity. The image of the peacock has entered mythology and art since ancient times, appearing in mythological stories, spiritual symbols, and masterpieces of art.